Welcome to GMS channel. Let us see one more question from the applications of trigonometry. The question is, two ships are approaching a lighthouse from opposite directions. The angles of depression of two ships from the top of the lighthouse are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. If the distance between the two ships is 100 meters, find the height of the lighthouse. In solving the problems of applications of trigonometry, there will be three steps. One is drawing a suitable figure. Should be able to draw the suitable figure for the given data. Number two is derivation of the equations. We have to derive the equations using the trigonometric ratios. Number three, simplification of the equations, that is solving the equations. So these are the three steps we should follow. In first step, let us see what is the figure which is applied to the given data. Here, two ships are coming towards the lighthouse from opposite directions, which are apart from 100 meters. Let us take it as let us assume AB is the lighthouse. Two ships are coming from opposite directions, and let it be some C, and another ship is at D. Distance between these two ships is given as 100 meters, and we have to find the height of the lighthouse. Let it be some H, and let distance from the ship at C to the lighthouse as some X. And as you know, sum of these two segments is 100, then it will be 100 minus X. So if it is X, BD is 100 minus X. Let us write what does represents what. Let AB be the lighthouse and C and D be the positions of two ships. And one more, these ships are making an angle of depressions 30 degrees and 45 degrees from the top of the lighthouse. See, you are seeing from the A, that is through the observation point you have to draw the horizontal line. Let it be the horizontal line, and angle between the horizontal line with the line of sight is called angle of depression. Let it be 30 degrees. This would be 45 degrees. Why I have taken this as 30 degrees means the angle of depression is more, means it is somewhat distant away from the other one. So if it is 30 degrees, see this alternate interior angles, angle at D becomes 30 degrees. By same property, angle at C also becomes 45 degrees. Now, by using the tan ratio in these two right triangles, we can find the required height of the lighthouse. C and D be the positions of two ships. Angles of depressions, that is angle ADB is equal to 30 degrees and angle ACB is equal to 45 degrees. Let height of the tower AB is height of the lighthouse AB is equal to some h meters given distance between the two ships BC is equal to 100 meters. If you take BC is equal to x meters, then BD becomes 100 minus x meters. Now all the measurements were taken. Now it is a matter of taking the trigonometric ratios from two right triangles and do the simplification. Let us take the triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC, tan 45 is equal to opposite side to 45 AB adjacent BC, AB over BC. Tan 45 means 1. AB is height of the lighthouse taken as h, BC is taken as x, which implies, do the cross multiplication, x is equal to h, otherwise h is equal to x. Let it be equation 1 and result 1. Let us take the second right triangle, that is, in right triangle ABD, take tan 30. Tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite to 30 AB, adjacent is BD, AB by BD, tan 30 as you know, 1 by root 3, AB, H, BD, 100 minus x. Do the cross multiplication, that is root 3 times h is equal to 100 minus x. Let us replace the x by h because both are equal from the equation 1. Why I am replacing x by h means we need the h value, that is height of the lighthouse. Root 3h is equal to 100 minus h, since x is equal to h. Bring the h into LHS, that is root 3h plus h is equal to 100. Take h common, h into root 3 plus 1 is equal to 100. H is equal to 100 by root 3 plus 1. The denominator is irrational. Let us do rationalization of denominator by root 3 minus 1. Then what happens? 100 into root 3 means 1.732 minus 1. The denominator a plus b into a minus b becomes a square minus b square, that is 3 minus 1. Then h is equal to 100 into 1.732 minus 1 means 0.732 by 3 minus 1 becomes 2. If you make 100 times, it becomes 73.2 by 2. So h is equal to half of 73.2 is 36.6 meters. So this is the height of the lighthouse. Thus, you can conclude that therefore height of the lighthouse is equal to 36.6 meters.